Check out this video if you haven't already seen it. Highly recommend watching it before watching this, because it gives a really good background on the plight of Swift Parrots, and in particular the role that sugar gliders or Krefft's gliders are playing in their decline. There's only about 750 Swift Parrots left currently, and over half of them are killed, over half of breeding females, that is, are killed on the nest every year by gliders. So a terrible situation, and one that needs very rapid action. And of course you can imagine the kind of role that glider-proof nest boxes might play in remedying the situation to some extent, and that's what interested me in designing such a thing. And I'm hoping that this video now, with what I've learnt over the last little while, will be able to help others to create successful glider-proof nest boxes for Swift Parrots, also for other species. And the idea is that you'll also be able to retrofit existing boxes and possibly even hollows. Here's some little Krefft gliders I prepared earlier. This is the prototype box. It sat in this aviary with about 4 gliders for about a month with their favourite food inside, but they couldn't get in. Unfortunately, also couldn't get any good footage of them trying. So this is the test out in the wild. You can see the bottom right corner there, that's the box that the gliders are living in. And this is the glider-proof box close up. So that's vanilla essence, just to get them interested. And a bit of honey, plenty of honey inside the hole and leading to the hole as well. And then up the trunk and everywhere, just to get them over there. Now, of course, the gliders smelt that, couldn't resist, and after they'd mopped up all the available honey, the only stuff left was in the hole. Now, there's 3 gliders here, giving it a good test. Was very happy to see this footage. They're trying to sort of somersault over the canopy, if you like, and it's just too far from the hole for them to be able to do that. So they try going from the sides, but this box has a slight forward lean, and that means that even though they might usually have no trouble climbing up rough plywood, that forward lean takes away their ability to do that. And of course they can't reach the hole. Here's a little montage of them trying in various ways. Had to be careful with the placement of the camera, of course, so that it didn't become a helpful launching pad for them. And the same's true for any branches. So if you're putting up a box, you've got to be mindful of where branches are on the tree. You don't want any too close in front or underneath. Here's that same glider exclusion plate moved onto another box. So they're very easy to move around. You can retrofit existing boxes, even while birds are nesting in there. And you can see the spacer on the front, on the back, between the tree and the box. It doesn't have to be very big at all, especially if you choose a spot on the tree that's already got a bit of a forward lean. You can see the kind of angles we're talking about. It doesn't have to be any more than that. And sure enough, these rainbow lorikeets had their eye on this box for a week or two, and without too much trouble made it in. I should mention they were a bit apprehensive with this new device on there, and did bump their head trying to get in a few times. So in the diagram I recommend that there be a space of 3 centimetres between that upper plate and the hole, and that might allow them to get in more easily without any trouble. And one thing I missed was just pointing out that that aluminium plate probably needn't be aluminium or plastic or anything slippery. I'm quite certain that plywood would work just as well. Cool, well that's it for now. I'll probably share updates, and I hope to see updates from others. Really excited about where this might go. Good luck.